Hello beautiful and welcome to a world where glamour and confidence and style take center stage. احنا هنا في كلام بنات هنبقى بنتكلم على حاجات كتيرة قوي تخص البيوتي tips and tricks, some fashion snippets وكمان the latest trends. We're here to address your concerns. هيبقى معانا some Q&As. Stay tuned for today's episode. معانا النهارده أنا أميرة. I'm the PR and Communications Executive at Source Beauty و
أنا داليا Arabic Editor and Customer Experience Manager.
And أنا ياسمين Graphic Designer at Source Beauty. والنهارده we have a special guest. We have Lydia, the founder and CEO of Source Beauty.
Hi.
Hi Lydia.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine. كويسة.
So we're having some questions النهارده نسألها لك كده about Source Beauty. Are you ready?
يلا بينا.
Okay, I will start with my first question. It's what inspired you to start Source Beauty?
And I love beauty products. I love having a skincare routine. I'm very passionate about everything to do with beauty. Well, actually, more than anything, I'm more passionate about skincare. I think in ربنا خلقنا with amazing skin and so on, and so how to manage it and obviously look your best and feel your best, because احنا كلنا we feel beautiful when we look beautiful. So also the reason I started Source Beauty ان انا هنا في مصر ابتديت احس ان في beauty products و brands جميلة وحلوة قوي بس مش under one platform. So I wanted to تجمع كل حاجة اللي حلوة وحطها under Source Beauty just so it's a bit more visible, and I believe a lot in the beauty industry هنا في مصر.
حلوة قوي. طب امتى يعني جات لك الفكرة دي؟ يعني when you started Source Beauty?
I launched Source Beauty in 2018, so الشهر الجاي هيبقى 5 years. Actually, yeah, I know it feels عدوا بسرعة قوي. But I actually started thinking about Source Beauty. I was doing my MBA in my late to mid 30s. And الفكرة جات لي while I was doing it. So it was just an idea that I had, and I started doing all the research. I started the Instagram page and I built the blog. So قعدت سنتين بجمع بعمل كل research, trying and testing different products, وقاعدة بتكلم مع بنات actually وافهم منهم بالظبط اللي بيحبوه واللي مش بيحبوه, and if they have a skincare routine. And I used to go visit a lot of dermatologists وافهم منهم what is يعني a lot of the problems الستات بيروحوا له بيه. بس so it started that way.
Wow, that's inspiring to be honest. Yeah.
إيه أكتر challenges حسيتي إن أنتي ما كنتش جاهزة لها أو واجهتيها وقت ما قررتي تعملي Source Beauty يا ليدي؟
أكتر حاجة it was a big struggle for me. أنا أوحش sales person قابلتوها في حياتي. ما اقدرش أبيع أي حاجة. Nothing. So بالنسبة لي أروح أتكلم مع brands and try to convince them إن they sell on Source Beauty دي بالنسبة لي was a big challenge. Surprisingly, people will not believe this, but I'm a little bit shy. وبس, and I just thought, okay, so this is a big step I had to overcome. So I went to the brands that I wanted to start Source Beauty with. Trying to convince them, they were all on board and very happy and excited about it. But the idea of selling beauty products online was a new thing من 6 سنين. But so it was that was also a bit of a challenge for me.
Nice. Speaking of challenges و things that you have learned, أكيد الجيرني بتاعتك كان فيها حاجات كتيرة قوي ممكن إن أنتي من خلالها تدي advice لحد بيبدأ البيزنس بتاعه as a beauty entrepreneur.
Or any entrepreneurs really. I think as an entrepreneur you learn a lot of elements within every single segment of the business, right? So that on its own is a big challenge, and it's like a big pool of information living in your head, but you also need to translate this message to your team or the people that you start to hire. So it's a big challenge generally being an entrepreneur. It's a very difficult landscape, but one of the biggest ones I think is having waking up every morning وعارفة إن أنتي هتشتغلي, motivating yourself, having the mindset and this is what I'm going to do. But also it's something that if you believe in a product or the company that you're starting on, the drive is there, yes. Right? من الأول. So you don't need that major push. It's the discipline اللي أهم حاجة. So that for me it's not really a biggest challenge because I'm very organized as a person عامة. Where I love to have a routine. It can be very boring, but I wake up every day. I know exactly اليوم هيبقى عامل ازاي. I'm very structured in that manner. So it is a big challenge that way. حاجة تانية also, and I get a lot of people بيسألوني for business advice, especially brands that want to start in the market. وبيقولوا لي مثلا I want to start this skincare or this SPF or I want to do this hair care line but the product is not perfect yet. عايزة أقول take this word perfect and throw it out the window because nothing is really perfect. You know, Source Beauty لما ابتدت it wasn't perfect وحاجات كتير قوي اتغيرت in the last 5 years and it's something that is ongoing. So I think it's nicer to start with a brand or a product that is okay. Yes. Obviously, it's the formula and everything is great and it's obviously مش هيجيب any kind of allergies, but then you start to perfect it as you go. And it's not really perfect, you start to change it. It changes, right? The world changes, everything is developing. So perfection generally just needs to be dropped completely from anyone's vocabulary.
So basically consistency and dedication.
Very much so, yeah.
Yes.
But I think a lot of entrepreneurs do have the dedication and the drive for it.
Yes.
Hey, I think the element is the consistency. And also I think you do come across a lot of challenges. So not to take it personally, not to feel disheartened. So it's very important that you're able to motivate yourself to keep going.
Exactly. Yes, I agree.
So we asked our audience on Instagram to ask us questions, and we picked one from Monica Faiz. Her question is, what are your favorite makeup brands?
هنا في مصر, my favorite is Amanda and Luna. I love their products, the consistency, and actually the staying power for their makeup products are incredible. Luna بالذات, actually I love the development that it's gone through. If you look at some of their blushes, it actually has reference to El Farana, and the packaging is very, very beautiful. And Amanda has a lot of poppy colors. I love it.
Yeah, I feel they are expanding.
They're two amazing brands, and if it's an international brand that I really love is Charlotte Tilbury in terms of makeup. I don't like heavy makeup generally, so I feel with Charlotte Tilbury you can play around with it and build it up and so on, and it's very applicable. I'm not great in terms of applying like certain makeup looks, but Charlotte Tilbury makes it easy, and especially with the applications and so on.
Really, really nice.
Do you have any old beauty trends that you would like to bring in time?
One trend نفسي to erase completely from everything is sweatpants. I hate sweatpants with all my heart. I don't wear sweatpants. يبقى unless بقى خلاص يعني I'm feeling the absolute low هلبس a sweatpant. بس حتى في البيت I just I don't wear sweatpants at all. I feel like كان في Karl Lagerfeld مرة قال if you wear sweatpants you've lost the will to live or you've lost the direction in life, something along those lines, right? So yeah, no sweatpants at all. But if I have to bring up a certain style, I love the 70s. I love the flared pants, bell bottoms and so on. It's just super stylish and I love the flow and the natural vibe behind it. So yeah.
Now, speaking of trends, حاسة برضو كنت قريت مرة quote by Tom Ford إن قال إن dressing well is a form of a manner. فحاسة إن this is kind of true.
I think it's yes, it is very, very true.
Yes.
Like أنا مامتي الله يرحمها كانت مرة قالت لي أو مش مرة, she was always saying to me ما ينفعش تنزلي من البيت شكلك كده. You know, even لو رايحة السوبر ماركت أو رايحة مشوار 5 دقايق لازم you have to always look well presented because at the end of the day you're respecting yourself, yes, right? Exactly. So it's very, very important that you do make an effort. Yes. يعني even حتى لما I was launching Source Beauty actually كنت I was working from my dining room table every day كنت بلبس وأحط ميك اب وأقعد وحتى كنت ما فيش حد معايا إلا أنا بس it just felt like it was something you had to get into the mindset. Yeah, so it's good to feel good. Yeah, exactly. Yes, so yeah, sure. Yeah. Yes. لا وممكن أقعد ساعة بتأخر عشان هلبس إيه وأنا عارفة أنا هقعد لوحدي بس كنت that's how it got to. So
طيب we want to dive in أكتر لل preferences بتاعتك. ف we have some this or that rapid fire questions.
Okay, great.
And let's start. Matte or dewy foundation?
Definitely matte because I've got a combination skin. Okay. And it will eventually be dewy. So ممكن نبتدي كده الأول.
Okay. Bold or neutral lipstick?
Definitely bold.
Nice. I think it's a statement برضو. The bold lipstick is kind of a statement.
Yeah, it's nice. Like, I don't have the courage to wear a bright red lipstick anymore. Yes. I used to when I was in my 20s. I'd love to. I don't know, but I love a bold lipstick.
Nice. Liquid or pencil eyeliner?
Both.
Why?
Because كل حاجة ليها حاجة. يعني الليكويد للcat eye flick, which I do very badly by the way, بس مش مشكلة.
No one does it perfectly.
No. I have a few friends. Really? I swear to God بتصحى الصبح تعمل لك كده وهي حافظة like a proper
I guess
pro.
this is a talent يعني مش أي حد.
بس في ناس كده يعني. Will eye pencil, you put it on your waterline, especially under your eyelashes, which is something I've learned maybe a year ago. Yeah, so I love that. So كل حاجة ليها حاجة.
Nice, that's a very good tip for our audience. Face scrub or face mask?
Definitely a face scrub. And I don't know, you feel like you're squeaky clean with a face scrub, although it's very bad for your skin.
It removes all the excess and everything.
Everything, and you just, because احنا هنا في مصر عندنا في pollution وحر وعرق وواحد بيرجع at the end of the day عايز يغسل وشه عايز يحس ان هو نضيف قوي. So it's good, but it's actually bad. I went to a facialist مرة قالت لي المفروض الواحد يستعمل الفيس سكراب مرتين في الأسبوع بس.
Okay.
أنا كنت استعمله كل يوم طول الوقت.
Okay.
And it actually makes your pores larger because it's quite abrasive, so you need to be careful. So I'd highly suggest and recommend that you only use it once.
عشان ال roughness على السكن مش.
Yeah, it's not very good, and then it takes away from the natural oils and so on of your skin.
Okay, that's nice to know. Cream or powder blush?
Definitely cream.
Okay. Lipstick or lip gloss?
Neither. Lip stain.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
I love a lip stain.
Okay.
بس هقعد بقى وأحط.
أيوة. أسهل.
يلا بالظبط.
Mascara or false lashes?
ده mascara.
Okay.
Or nothing at all if it's during the day.
Okay, so you're kind of leaning into the simple looks أكتر.
Yeah.
You don't really like the heavy makeup style.
والجو حر، تخيلوا لو انتوا قاعدين في الحر والميك اب even لو خرجنا بالليل I just don't, that feeling doesn't make me feel very good.
You're kind of practical.
Yeah, I like to be a bit practical.
Yes. Okay. Lip balm or lip scrub?
Lip balm, although I have a tip to be very careful with lip balm, is that it becomes addictive.
Okay.
So there's an ingredient in the lip balm that dries out your lips even more. So هتضطري تحطي lip balm to reapply it and reapply it and reapply it.
Okay.
So there's a fine line with that. I suggest you only use lip balm once during the day, preferably قبل ما تنامي.
Okay.
It's very hydrating. ومش أي lip balm. يعني لونا مثلا عندهم a lovely shea butter lip balm, and that's really really good. So shea butter is very good for your lips as an ingredient. But yeah, be wary because احنا كلنا عندنا يعني في ناس كتير قوي عندها lip balm طول الوقت رايحة جاية reapply.
I thought this is a good thing.
No,
It's not anymore.
it's incredible actually what they do. But yeah.
Okay. Nail polish or gel nails?
لو سألتني السؤال ده من 4 سنين كنت أقول لك nail polish.
Okay.
بس definitely nail gel دلوقتي I don't have the time رايحة جاية أروح أعمل my nails. And I also feel in the gel protects the cuticles and the skin around your nails. So yeah, and it's just easier.
On the go.
On the go, and it's very very shiny. You know what I mean? You won't get a matte type of nail polish.
بالظبط. Okay, so skincare routine or makeup routine?
Definitely skincare routine.
Okay.
Take care of your skin.
Yes.
And then the makeup, any makeup you apply will always look amazing on top of it.
Yes,
So
بالظبط.
I think you need to start with the base layer. First.
Yes, بالظبط. Have a good base, like go into the clean girl era.
Exactly.
Yes.
My favorite part of the whole thing the products.
أيوة.
انا products بالنسبه لي اهم حاجه في سورس بيوتي بصراحه.
ما احنا كلنا عارفين.
انت دايما اور جورو في الموضوع ده.
بكتشف كتير جدا، ومن اكتر حاجات بجد بجد اللي جربتها وبخاف ان هي تخلص هي موارد عاملين سبراي ديودرنت. عارفه لما بتبقي راجعه من يوم حرانه جدا ومش طايقه نفسك وعايزه تاخدي الشاور بس وتخرجي ما تحطيش اي حاجه بس ستيل عايزه يبقى فيه بالظبط، هو بجد ريحته تجنن.
Mine is على حجري a Source Beauty pouch or a makeup bag or travel bag or whatever you want to call this bag. I like it عشان it's شفافة. And it has our lovely Source Beauty logo on it. But the nice thing about it is like الواحد مسافر or if you're on the go all the time, you just put all your skincare products وشايفاها. لو حاجة اتدلقت هنضفها. So it's not an issue.
I love how it fits everything.
It is. It's quite, you know, it's quite chunky, so it's great. And I love. I can see أنا عندي واحدة معايا إيه. And we're actually launching a smaller size in a few weeks that can take your makeup. So it's nice. أنا بحب عامة بيبقى عندي sets. And it's smaller than this, but it's long enough to take your makeup brushes. So
أنا بقى my favorite recently في براند جديد اسمه Green Leaves عامل detox shampoo. It's really really nice عشان خاطر I'm curly وكل البنات الكيرلي هيريليت طبعا بالموضوع ده. We're using a lot of products فبتعمل build ups على شعرنا، فده it helps قوي ان هو ينظف فروة الراس والشعر والبيلد ابس دي. عارف في peppermint الواحد بيحس ان هو فريش قوي after using it، وفي نفس الوقت مش بيخلي شعر ناشف
وهي
خالص.
the dominant ingredient في الشامبو ده is charcoal. أنا عامة لو حد استعمل charcoal mask it generally lifts the dirt on your skin. So if you've ever noticed like if you use a charcoal mask وبعديها طلع لك a zit or a spot. It's a superficial spot. طلعت because the charcoal mask is cleaning your pores. And I usually pop them, they don't scar and so on. So usually the same thing. But with this on your scalp, and I use a similar shampoo, برضو أحلى حاجة is it makes your, زي ما انتي قلتي يا ياسمين, it makes your scalp very refreshed. It lifts the dirt. But I feel like I went to the spa.
Yes, yes.
إحساس
I
حلو
feel so
قوي.
good after using it.
بالظبط. بالذات I think إن الناس اللي هم بالذات مش بيغسلوا شعرهم طول الوقت. So if you wash your hair once or maybe twice a week, this is the perfect shampoo to use just only once a week, because it does lift the dirt and it makes you just feel really really fresh. But obviously not to use it too much.
طبعاً.
Natural oils that our hair produces is also very healthy.
يعني اصلا شامبو ان جنرال يعني سواء بقى ديتوكس او لا مش المفروض ان احنا على طول نستخدمه.
انتوا عارفين ان بيقولوا حاجه على الشامبو وانا عارفه الموضوع ده, the more you wash your hair the oilier your hair will be. Yes. And so you need to prolong it. So really I think the best way is to wash your hair every 2 or 3 days. طبعا في ناس مش, انا عندي few of my friends مش عارفين طول الوقت بيغسلوا شعرهم, مش قادرين ان هم يغسلوا شعرهم. So بتغسل شعرها كل يوم عشان ما غسلتش شعرها هيبقى oily. So it's a really bad cycle. So if you actually wash your hair less, if you're able to, it's actually better.
حاسه برضو it is better لان في natural oils من السكالب نفسها بتبقى موجوده في الشعر, فبتبقى مفيده ان السكالبتر produce it all over again بدل ما كل شويه نقعد نغسل شعرنا. فحاسه ان الموضوع ده فعلا بيضر.
وحاجه another thing in this shampoo برضو ان فيها rosemary and peppermint. And it's great, it promotes hair growth and thickness. So كلنا عايزين شعرنا تقيل. ايوه.
أنا for me my favorite product is the Hand and Body Cocoa Butter moisturizer من لونا. I love it and I love how it smells. يعني it's very soft on the skin. بحس baby skin effect كده بعد ما بستخدمه.
I think ده خطير, ريحته حلوة قوي. I feel like I've gone on holiday. Yes. But I have a little tip with this. If قبل ما تنامي كل حاجة عايزين تعملوها beauty related تعملوها
قبل ما تنامي.
ما تعملوش أي حاجة الصبح.
Night skincare routine.
Yeah, no, but this is nice. You apply it on your feet وتلبسوا شراب وتناموا. You will wake up with really amazingly soft skin, and it's amazing. بالذات I like to rub it into my heels.
تحفة.
It's really really good.
في ناس بتلبس كمان جوه الشراب زي رابين كده, البلاستيك راب بتاع
يعني كيس يعني؟
كيس وبيلبسوا شراب. انا جربتها بس اسوأ احساس ممكن تحسيه في الدنيا. بس لا يعني لما بتقومي من النوم بتلاقي الموضوع حاجه تانية خالص. بتلاقي الموضوع ترتيب رهيب يعني.
فادنا كتير قوي يا جماعه النهارده. I love it. حلوه قوي.
قوي.